Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to log Google Keep Notes. First, navigate to the Google Keep Notes app on your mobile phone. Here, choose an account from the different Google accounts. Now hit the plus icon shown on the bottom right side. Next, you can type anything to add to the notes. To log the notes, tap on the specific note. Then, you will find the archive icon shown at the top right corner. Tap on it and it will move your note to archive. After that, tap on the three bars icon shown at the top left corner. In the next step, it will show you the archive option. Here, you will find the note that you've archived. You can also tap on the archive button to unlock the hidden note. In this way, you can log Google Keep Notes. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.